Hi, welcome to Emily and Laura. I'm Emily.
And I am Laura.
In today's video, we are going to do a Christmas front porch and entryway.
This house our clients just moved into recently, and it's not fully furnished yet, and it's just this beautiful house that really brings the outdoors in. They really wanted the house to feel warm and inviting for Christmas, even though it was sparse inside and didn't feel all that warm. And so we decided to decorate it, and our inspiration came from the outside, and
Yes.
we decided to decorate it with natural elements.
We put in some new pots in the front, and these are things that are going to be staying here for all year round. So we got some new pots and some new plants to go in them, and we just adorned the plants with some white lights. And then for the holiday, we added some lanterns that they can also change out per season, but we put in some little Christmas trees.
Yeah, these were fun. We actually made these somewhat like we did
Our lanterns
for Thanksgiving. We love making lanterns for the outside of the front door for the holidays. And this one, we embellished it with little fairy lights and small little miniature ornaments and some fake snow.
We use the remote controlled lights, so they're really easy to turn on and off. And different times of the year, they can swap out for other elements through the different seasons. But this is so beautiful now.
So as you come into the house, you are greeted by this beautiful 5-foot round gold mirror that is just gorgeous. It's a mirror that came from Restoration Hardware, and we will link it down below. And it is accompanied by this gorgeous tree. And we really wanted a tree that was very open and airy. We didn't want something that was really heavy, much like you would do your traditional Christmas tree, which is much heavier. And we knew we didn't want to put any ornaments on the tree, but we wanted some ornaments in the space. So we got this
Our favorite
bowl from Crate and Barrel, which is this white-footed bowl, and we filled it up with some ornaments and then embellished the tree.
Yes, we have some beautiful champagne sparkly sprays that we put in through the branches, and then these white champagne berries that were wired and could have some movement with them. So we placed those strategically throughout the tree and created this very whimsy, natural, neutral tones, but with the glamour of the sparkles. So that just really stood out on the white lights and against the white wall. And it was kind of this monochromatic, but the green still popped out. It was just gorgeous.
Yes, it really is. And we used the same kind of glam, glittery decor in our last video that we did on this house, where we were decorating the fireplace, the dining tables. So if you haven't seen that yet, you should definitely go check out that video.
Yes, and we put on a faux fur white cream tree skirt on the tree, and we spent a lot of time wrapping presents that had nothing in them.
Which I can tell you was a lot of kids were very upset about.
No fans from the kids, but we had too much fun. Neither Laura and I like really wrapping presents.
That's true. Yeah.
But when you get artistic with it and try something new with the ribbons and little garnishes to the presents, it gets to be really fun. So we kind of just channeled our inner Martha Stewart and went for it.
Yeah. And on each gift, we put a little bit of the same thing that we've been kind of decorating with, which is that natural greenery, whimsical, glittery, glam kind of little adornment on each gift.
Yeah. And the pop of black, just to kind of ground it.
Yeah, this house had a lot of black in it, so it really pulled from the natural elements that were already inside the home.
The iron.
Yeah, and the granite, the black granite.
Yes.
Yeah, it was just really pretty. Yeah, well, we hope that you've enjoyed this video today. We have had so much fun doing this house. It's not often that you decorate a house that really doesn't have a whole lot of stuff in it, but when we left, it actually felt so warm and so cozy, and I think really embraces family for their Christmas.
Oh, absolutely.
And next, we'll be showing you all the decor that we do for their house.
Yeah. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed today's content. We really appreciate all the support.
Yes, we do. And happy holidays.
Happy holidays.